Oh, what's going on? This is what it is. Cracking open the 2020 B case on
HDub50.
Okie dokie. So if you like watching our diecast car videos, subscribe to our channel. And don't forget, what you got to do is smash that bell to get notifications when we upload new videos so you're in the know. All right, we're getting started right here. B case is going to be cracked open. Hopefully we get another ID or a super or...
That'd be kind of cool.
Yeah, or all three of the above.
Oh, yeah. That would confirm our suspicions of whether if it has one, it doesn't have the other.
Yeah. All right, so...
Oh, I see some good stuff.
What we got?
Okay, dipping it.
Is there a super in there?
I don't think so.
I don't think so, yeah.
Okay, let's see. What's the first three on the top? Oh, Honda Monkey. Oh, this is new. This is new.
Oh, the Mazda.
RX-7.
Yeah.
Okay, put that on the side. Oh, Corvette Greenwood. Oh, another gotta go.
Oh.
That one's not gonna go in the collection because I already have one. Okay, next. Oh, that's cool. One other pixel shaker.
I like that custom, yeah, this is cool. Nice.
Carbonator, Night Shifter, and Camaro SS. Ooh, Honda City, Octane, Chill Mill. Blah, blah, blah.
I just have nothing to say.
Oh, there you go. Another STI.
Yeah.
And RV
There yet.
RV there yet. That's a cool one, but we already did an opening on that.
Yeah.
So I'll leave the STI in there because I already have one. Okay, some more of those.
They're not even saying what it is. It sucks so bad. It's like
Ford Mustang and Batmobile.
Yeah, chrome Batmobile. You know they chrome that one. They don't chrome the 6.6. I don't get that. You chrome the crappy Batmobile, but not the 1966 one.
They do have a chrome one. It's a convention car though.
Yeah, convention car though. Yeah. No, but make a mainline one. Yeah.
Snoopy, Grupo, and Roller Toaster.
Roller Toaster. Roller.
Oh, a Night Shifter, Indy 500 Oval, and a diaper
rubbish.
Oh,
yeah,
there you go. I believe that's supposed to be the super in this case.
Oh, too bad.
The case.
That would have been the super.
Hey.
What?
Is this an international case?
Is that an Ultra?
This is an international case, I think.
It is?
All different languages.
Ooh.
So that's why the code doesn't show a B.
There you go.
Well, I'm assuming it doesn't show B for that reason.
And if not, you guys can go look that up.
Yeah, tell us. Prove us wrong.
Let us know.
Tell us we're wrong.
Ooh, we got another Skyline.
Yeah, Skyline. And Panamera Hybrid.
Panamera. I swear that's not bread.
Whoa.
I said bread that they sell.
Panera.
Yeah. Or that viewer on the camera, panoramic.
The wide angle.
Ooh, we're not going to get sponsored by Porsche.
RX-7. I don't think I fit in a Porsche.
Yeah, me neither.
Aeropod, Power Rocket, and Land Rover. Yay, and yay.
Oh, you know, you can see the ones that fall, we don't pick up.
Oh, another Pixel Shaker and another Snoopy.
Another car that we thought was a bone shaker.
Okay. Another Chrome Batmobile.
So far there's nothing impressive yet.
Yeah, the cases are not, this case at least is not working out very good. Oh, that's new.
What is that? Oh, a Dodge Viper.
ST or SRT10 ACR. I don't get it. All right, so should we open that?
Yes. That's actually something new.
Yeah, that is new.
You got one Mazda, man. We're like, what's up? Wow, there's only one Mazda in there.
Another Greenwood, another Road Bandit, and a...
Was he the Greenwood?
Corvette Greenwood. Oh, there we go. New to the case.
Oh, the 944.
944. Remember we were talking about these.
Yeah.
We talked a lot about 944.
They never. I don't even recall them ever having a 944.
That's. Oh, you know what? That other was 928.
Yeah.
Because the 928 Porsche and the
928, the back is round.
Yeah. And the VW are the same casting. Oh. Cool one looks cool.
Is that, I thought it said Coolio.
As I walk. Okay. Oh, another gotta go.
Yeah, and stuff you don't like.
Yay.
You need a couple skylines over there, man.
I think there's 4, I think, now. 2 in the last case and 2 in this one. I'm going to repaint one of these.
Great, get me a skyline. I'm going to repaint. I'm going to chrome the rims on this one.
Change the wheels, too. Okay, last 3. And maybe your suspicions are correct. Because that's a regular treasure hunt.
Oh, that is?
Yep.
Nice. So, you know, I guess we got a regular treasure hunt, but we got no ID. So.
Yep. All right. So that's the highlights, the 3 highlights on this case are the ones we're going to open in the next video.
And you know, you only got 1 Mazda. I'm tripping out on that. You only got 1 Mazda.
Oh, there's 2. I saw another one.
Oh, you did? Oh, I didn't even see the other one.
Yeah, there's 2. I saw another one.
Wow.
Where are we at? Oh, it's less than 7 minutes. Hopefully,
because you know why? Because you know why we weren't even talking about the all the crappy ones. We don't say nothing. It's like we're like, all right, this is it. And everybody's like, wait, what is that?
That one's beneath me.
I'm pretty sure there's like 2 guys going, wait, let me see what down is.
Oh yeah, it's a fantasy car. You're not gonna want to see it. Nothing to see here. There's a lot of the STIs though.
Yeah, those are nice. Those are pretty good.
I'm looking for the Mazda as I'm putting these back. So. But yeah,
oh,
now,
there it is.
Now we're at 7 minutes, so I'm hoping everybody stayed this long.
Okay. Cool. All right, so you know the deal. If you stayed this long, that means you obviously liked the video. So like the video and share the video with all your friends, family, co-workers, and all the people that like fantasy cars. Okay? Because they are people too. Right? And they are, and we are,
HDub50.
You viewers, don't forget to check out the end screens right there where you'll see links to our previous videos and a video YouTube thinks you'll like and one that we think you should watch. So we're busy right now. We're putting everything back and we're making new videos. We're on the go. So you know what? We'll see you real soon. Come back now. You hear?